Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 24. This is a grade 8 mathematics lesson, and this is my cell phone number in case you want to get in touch with me. So my little friends, so far this is what you can do. This is what you know and you can do. Okay, let's say and you can do. Okay, so you probably have done this already with your teacher, so this is just a revision for you. Okay, but I know that you know this. You know how to find the highest common factor, you know how to simplify common fraction using the highest common factor, and you also know how to find equivalent fractions. So please, if you've forgotten how to do this, just go back in the videos and watch the videos again. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to do this. We are going to express one quantity as a fraction of another quantity, and we're going to leave our fraction in simplest form. Okay, so we are going to express, just another word for make. Okay, we are going to make one quantity as a fraction of another quantity in simplest form. Okay, so important points. You'll be given two quantities. You'll be given two quantities, and these quantities, they either have the same or similar units. All right, and you are going to express them as a fraction. So same units, it could be centimeter. There could be that they are all in centimeters, or they are all in seconds, or they are in kilometers. Similar, they can be, one could be in centimeters, the other one can be in kilometers, one can be in seconds, the other one can be in minutes. All right, so once you have given that, so you should now express them as a fraction. So otherwise, if the units are not the same, so if the units are similar, meaning that if they are not the same, they are similar. If they are similar, always convert to the smallest unit. So now you are going to employ what you have been taught in physical science, how to convert from one unit to the other. Okay, so I don't know if you have done this already yet in mathematics, but I know for sure that you have done this in physical science when you were doing that topic of scientific processes. All right, so, and remember to always leave your fraction in simplest form by using the highest common factor. You simplify by using the highest common factor. So I hope by now you can see why we had to do all these things: how to find the highest common factor, how to simplify fractions, and how to find equivalent fractions. Because all these things we are going to use them, we'll be using them in mathematics, especially when it comes to algebra, when it comes to fractions, we are going to use them more often. All right, let us look at this example here. It says here, express 30 minutes. So you're given 30 minutes and 2 hours as a fraction. So meaning that you are going to divide 30 minutes by 2 hours, and you should leave it as a fraction. So let us look at the answer. The minutes and hours are similar units of time. They are not exactly the same. They are what we call similar units. If they were the same, then it would be 30 minutes and 2 minutes, or 30 hours and 2 hours. But they are similar units of time. So minutes are smaller than hours, so you need to convert 2 hours to minutes. So you know that 1 hour you have 60 minutes, meaning that 2 hours you have 120 minutes. Okay, so now you can divide 30 minutes. You're going to divide 30 minutes by 120 minutes. Let's see what will happen. So let me just simplify this. Not simplify. Let me write it in capital letter, in big letters, so you'll be able to see clearly. Nice. All right, so 30 minutes divided by 120 minutes will simplify to 1/4. How did I get that? I have used 30 as the highest common factor. So 30 goes into itself one time, and 30 goes into 120 4 times. So that is how you express one quantity as a fraction of the other in simplest form. So this is the first quantity, 30 minutes. This is the second quantity, now in minutes, and then you should simplify as 1 fraction in simplest form. Now, my friends, I hope you have picked up something. Okay, so this example number 2, you are going to do it on your own, and you are going to send your answers to me via WhatsApp. So it says the water level of Zambezi River dropped from its maximum level of 710 centimeters to 568 centimeters. And then part A says, or question A says, by how many centimeters did the water level drop? By how many centimeters did the water level drop? And part B says, 1 mark for that. Part B says, express the drop or the change. Okay, so let's say change or change. Come on. So express the drop or the change as a fraction of the maximum level. Okay, of the maximum level. So let me quickly just guide you here. So whatever answer that you're going to get here will be the change or the drop. And then you are going to divide that by the maximum level. Which one is the maximum level? The maximum level is 710. So please write down your work, write down your answers, take a picture and share with me on WhatsApp. And don't forget, the notes are coming from the study guide. I also have the one for physical science. So if you're interested, please let me know so I can provide you with one. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.